Welcome to my review of the MeacoFan Sefte 8-inch portable fan. This was very kindly sent to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now we'll start this video off by saying that this was actually sent to me at the perfect time. We are currently experiencing a heat wave and a fan really does help keep you cool. And this is a regular desktop fan. Well, it looks like a regular desktop fan, but in fact it's got some fantastic features. I can't wait to share them with you. So first of all, let's just take a look at what you get inside the box. So you get some paperwork, some information about your warranty. You also get some instructions as well to get you up and running. And then we also get this here, which gives away one of the unique features in this fan, which has got a replaceable battery. So not only can you use this plugged in, but you can use it, let me just switch it on now, without any cable attached. This is the power adapter, so you can use it whilst it's attached to the power cable and to the mains power, and this also charges the removable battery as well. So this has got a barrel type connector on this end that goes into the fan and a 3-pin UK adapter on this end. There's also a little box inside the main box which contains the removable battery. It's a 2500 milliamp hour battery. This is superb. I love the fact that this works off of the mains and also off battery because you can use it anywhere. It's absolutely fantastic. And in fact, during the heat wave, I have found this to be very useful because not only can you use it indoors, but you can also take it into the garden and create an extra breeze, because if there's no breeze and it's very hot, something like this is very, very good indeed. Now we'll just show you, we also get a remote control, so you can use this to control the speed of the fan, the oscillation, for example. Let me put it up the right way. There we go. So we've got the oscillation as well. We can turn the beep on and off. So having a remote for your fan is very useful indeed. And in fact, when you're not using the remote, I believe, oh, that way round, we can pop it nice and safely out of the way onto the front of the fan. So it means you're never going to lose your little remote control. Now let's have a look at this base of the fan. So there is a button on this side. If we push this button, it removes the cover, and then inside here is where you have got the removable battery. So that's the 2500 milliamp hour power pack, and then you can simply put this base plate back on again. Very, very simple indeed. We can angle the fan up and down, and then we can also use these controls to oscillate the fan, for example. So if we push the oscillate button, it starts rotating. This is at its lowest setting, and it's very, very quiet indeed. I could easily sleep with this in the same room at the lowest settings. I'm going to stop speaking just so you can hear how quiet this is. Very, very quiet indeed. Let me just stop that from turning. So very, very quiet fan. It's showing the current room temperature, 25 degrees centigrade. We can obviously increase the fan speed. So that's at roughly half speed. It's still very quiet. Then let's go up to full speed. So 12 is full speed. Now of course you can hear it at this speed, but it's still a very quiet fan. And then we can go all the way back down. Let's leave it on number 2 for now. Now of course we have got these 3 little dots. This allows you to cycle round to a night mode, also the current temperature, current fan speed, and then we can cycle round all the various modes that are available. And then the last button of course is the power button, so we can turn it off via the front panel there as well. This is a great choice for a desktop fan. If you live in a country where you experience fluctuating heat during the summer months you want something to cool you down indoors, or indeed indoors and outdoors, then the MeacoFan Sefte 8-inch portable fan is definitely a great choice. I think it's very well designed. It's a really nice looking unit, good build quality, and it's got that added functionality that you can use it wired or wireless. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button. If you want to purchase one of these for yourself, there are links down in the video description area. I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.